leave that one there and try the other two first. God damn it.
It's 74 dB. That's DL3, right?
We have a bird's nest. And it's on this swing right here.
Mom, one over here. Mom,
And Bree was
I saw the video.
swinging on it, and all these baby birds fell out of the nests. And now I don't know how to get them back in the nest, and they're not quite big enough to fly, poor things.
They still look big.
Yeah.
It just opened its beak twice at me.
Yeah.
What's that mean anyway?
That one's much smaller than the other two, huh?
There's
There's 3 of them that we know of.
one right there.
Oh, good grief.
Every time I try to put them up there, they're gonna
Fly down. Doggone it. Don't touch it, Bree, and they can't quite fly. Doggone it.
There's one, there's two. There's the train.
I know.
Do you think we should
This
bring
needs to be
them
cleaned now.
ourselves and put them in a cage?
We can't. Maybe we can call the, what do you call it? The,
I don't know, but Kinsley's gonna start crying.
is she, okay, I'll grab her.
How about we keep
The wildlife bird people.
That's how it does.
Some mornings are just rough, aren't they?
Yep. Well, it's so close to them.
He's not very happy right now because I'm not taking him shopping.
It's not Meyer.
Yeah, we're going to
He's
Meyer.
in the front because I'm going with her.
You're going to stay with Dad.
Kimberly's right in the back.
Yep. Oh.
And another lipstick.
What you doing, sis?
Put on lipstick.
Can I see it?
Of this kind.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. It's so pretty.
You left me hanging. Mom.
I didn't leave you hanging. Let's go.
No, Mom. Mom.
Nope, we're not getting those. Put them back.
Okay.
We're almost done shopping, and somebody else thinks we're done right now.
Wait.
Are you going to push it for me?
Sure.
Okay, push. Well, they're both going to push. Pushing my cart.
Mom. Goldfish.
Just finished grocery shopping. Whoop whoop. Bree wants you to see her M&Ms.
Well, I'm almost finished with them.
She's almost finished with them. We had a budget of $120 because we are doing the Dave Ramsey deal, and that's all we had for 1 week of groceries for 8 people. Usually it's $150, but we went out
My
and
budget
spent
was $5.
$30 on milk and eggs earlier. Anyways, $120 cash, and the bill was $119.70. Whoop 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 whoop.
How much do we buy, Mom?
We did it.
Let's check.
This peanut cried the whole way home from the grocery store, even after eating Cheetos
I was eating
and M&Ms and crackers, as you can see all over her face.
Yeah.
Huh.
Look at my face. Okay, I'm sorry what you didn't
Are
get
you
one of
mad?
these.
She doesn't like this car seat,
Fine.
and I
but-
think she's thirsty. Hi, pretty girl.
Mom, can I go open this? Can I, Mom?
Not yet. Are you ready to get out?
Like,
This continues, huh, Kins?
it's a good thing we didn't give her a whole cookie.
Did you get a chocolate cookie? You think you're ready to swim?
Yeah, but almost because I have my life jacket on and I need it on with this.
Yes, you do. Hey,
This part?
we need to clean you up too, so we can get you in the pool.
This part. This part is a pillow. This part.
There's some orange ones in here.
Yeah.
You want them?
Mom, this is how you get in the pool. Like, what? Now over.
Oh, you're gonna take a nap now? That sounds good.
Well, in the pool I am.
Where are you going? Are you trying to get
Get
out?
off of that.
Are you trying to get out? This girl. She's a climber and somebody didn't buckle her. You're so messy. Yeah. Hi.
You better get the puppies out because they're gonna chew on that.
Yeah.